Hi, this is my SONY FDR-AX43 Handycam 4K. I have two batteries for Sony. This is original Sony battery, and this is a non-Sony battery. This is a battery. Bigger than Sony, bigger capacity. Sony has 1900 milliamps hours. Non-Sony Patona has 3090 milliamp hours. Let's see how long recordings and specific video formats take. The batteries are now fully charged. Sony original first. Go to menu. Choose image quality size. File format. First file format, AVCHD. It is full HD, 50 frames per second. Let's see. 3 hours and 20 minutes. See here. Let's see another format. Second. This is also full HD, but better than this one. 3 hours and 80 minutes. And let's see 4K. 2 hours and 28 minutes. Okay. Let's see now non-Sony battery with bigger capacity. First format. Four hours and 30 minutes. Another format. 4 hours, 28 minutes. It is the same. And let's see 4K format. Two hours and 57 minutes. 3 hours. The difference between these two formats is only in the file size. Thank you. Bye.